This is a 2010 BMW X5. This crossover has an automatic transmission, a 3.0-liter inline 6-cylinder engine, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include a sunroof, high-intensity headlights, a twin-turbocharged forced induction system, cornering lights, traction control and stability control systems, big 18-inch wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, dual power seats, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, BMW individual composition, rear curtain airbags, air conditioning, and this vehicle has less than 18,000 miles. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.